loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little SHEIN haul for you guys. I'm going to be trying on everything for you. As per usual, everything is listed down below in my description box as well. The sizing will be next to every item as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with this quick little haul. So the very first item I have to show you guys is this beautiful tiered dress that I did show you guys over on Instagram stories as well. So please go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you feel like it. I really like this dress. As you can see, it is tiered and it does have some cutouts at the side and on the back, and I just have it paired with some white slides. This outfit is pretty lightweight, so it's very comfortable to wear. I love that the cutout in the back is not too high up, so it's really flattering. So I actually did have to pin it right here. I didn't do the best job, but it was a little bit big on top, but once I put the pin in, it just fit a lot better, and I just love the way it moves. It's just really pretty. I just love this entire outfit. I think it is absolutely adorable. It's very girly, very feminine, definitely like vacation vibes. And I also like the fact that the sleeves go down to my elbows. Very flattering and very cute. 10 out of 10 for this one. So I just threw on this purse that I also just got in to show you what a complete outfit would look like. So the purse, the slides, the dress, I love everything about it. 10 out of 10, recommend this outfit. Okay, so next up we have this dress, which I am absolutely in love with. It is a satin material and I love the silhouette of it. It is a spaghetti strap and it is adjustable, so you can adjust it. This dress just fits so beautifully. The material is nice and soft. It does have like a little bit of an opening there, but it's definitely not that high up. And there is a zipper at the side there, so that will help you get in and out of the dress. I really like the way this dress just drapes in the front. I think it is so beautiful. That's what the back of it looks like, so it's also pretty long. I would probably pair this with some like black heels or nude heels. This one is beautiful. It's a perfect date night dress. So next up we have this dress, which is absolutely my favorite dress from the haul. I just love the way this one fits. I love the cups, which you can wear without a bra, because I did try this on without a bra and it fit well. So either way you can wear it. I love this little like triangle detail, so it kind of looks like a little corset. It's ruched down here. This part is adjustable, so you can tie it and cinch it how you like. I love this one. I think it's so flattering. I just love the way this one looks. I love the color. That's what the back of it looks like. It's just all around really pretty. The color, I think, is what makes it stand out. This dress is a 12 out of 10 for me because I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. Highly recommend it. I think it's just beautiful, pretty, perfect wedding guest dress or date night dress. Such a pretty, unique dress. Like, I've never seen anything like it. I think it is gorgeous. 12 out of 10. Recommend this dress. Get it if you can. Love it. So next up we have this dress, which I am absolutely in love with as well. Beautiful blue color. I'm holding it here because you can see my bra through it, so you do have to wear like something like a pasty bra or something like that, just to keep it from like keep your regular bra from showing. So that's the only reason I'm holding it like that. So that's what it would look like. Again, you can see my bra through there, but I will link something down below for you guys. That's kind of like a low-cut bra that would work perfectly for this. It's a pasty bra. These are spaghetti straps and they are adjustable, which is really nice. This material is very stretchy, as you can see, so it stretches everywhere. It's very flattering. It does look a little bit shiny, which usually I don't like, but I do really like it on this. It's just a tad bit shiny, nothing like super crazy. Absolutely beautiful, and if you turn to the side, that's what it looks like. Love this one. 10 out of 10, recommend this one as well. Some black heels would look good with this. Some nude heels would look good with this. If you have blue heels that look similar to this color, I think that would look beautiful as well. I really like this dress. I like the length of it. So it is like a tight fitting dress, but it's not super tight on me, so I do feel like I can still like move around. I don't feel constricted in it. You know, sometimes when midi length dresses are tight, you feel like constricted and you can't move. I can definitely like still like move around in this one, so I really like it. 10 out of 10, recommend this one. So cute, so flattering, love it. And I do have some Spanx on, by the way, so I will link these Spanx down below for you guys as well. Also, do not forget to use my coupon code when shopping so you can save some money. And let's move on to the next outfit. I have this two-piece outfit, which is so So pretty. I love this red color. It is an off-the-shoulder top. I did tuck my bra strap down there to make it look strapless. I really like this one. The material is lightweight. I like that it's long sleeves as well. The skirt is beautiful and lightweight and flowy, and I just feel really good in this outfit. I think it's very like pretty and like boho chic. I just think this outfit is very pretty and effortless. It's just 2 pieces, but it looks so nice and so put together. You can wear this very casually with some flats. You can dress it up pretty much any way you like. I just really like it. It's comfortable as well. The material is just really breathable as well. So this outfit is just too cute. Definitely one of my favorite outfits from this haul. So that's what the side of it looks like. I love the way the material moves as well. Simple, pretty, effortless, girly, feminine. Love this one. 10 out of 10. Recommend this one as well. I cannot wait to wear this one. It just makes me feel good. Okay, next up we have this outfit, which I did have to tie myself. So just a heads up, this part here you do have to tie yourself. I do feel okay in it because I do have a bra on underneath, but if you put on a strapless bra underneath, I think you'll be perfectly fine. Or if you're just wearing this to go to the beach, I think you'll be perfectly fine as well. Definitely also just switch out the tops because you don't necessarily have to wear this revealing top with it, but I really like the way these pants fit. They're a wide leg, as you can see, and they are a lightweight material. So that's what the back of the pants and shirt looks like. So I do like this one as well. Definitely like a vacation vibe outfit. I would definitely rate this one 10 out of 10. I love the way it looks. Definitely something very wearable at the beach. And again, if you're wearing this out to dinner, maybe you just want to wear the pants with a different top, you can totally do that, and you can totally customize the top any way you like. Next up we have this top, this skirt, and these shoes. This is a very sexy office look. If you pair a blazer over this, it should work perfectly fine, or a cardigan if you want to wear something like this into the office. I didn't tie it the best, that's why it keeps opening up, but it does have this bow detail in the back. I didn't do the best job, but if you tie it properly, it's going to look amazing. This skirt is a ribbed, stretchy material, and I just paired it with these shoes. I love these shoes. They come in other colors as well. They're just like a little butterfly pink shoe. They come in nude as well, and I believe they come in blue also. Sorry about the police siren in the background. So that is a side profile of everything. I really do like this blouse and this skirt and these heels. So these heels are pretty lightweight, and I don't think they're super uncomfortable. I actually feel like they're a lot more comfortable than I thought they were going to be. And then I also rolled up one sleeve to show you what it looks like, and then one sleeve is undone. I could not get the button done once I had it on. Yeah, I really like this outfit. I think it's super cute. The slits are not high at all. They stop pretty much by your knees, so it's not like revealing, you know what I mean? It just looks really, really flattering. If you want a cute office outfit, definitely check out this one. Okay, so I added a pin to the blouse so it would stay closed, and then I threw on these jeans, which I really do like. So these jeans are one of the better quality jeans on their site, and I can definitely feel and see the difference. I do recommend these jeans. The only thing is these are a little bit big on me. I should have a size down 1. So I got these in a 1XL, which is equivalent to a size 14, but I definitely should have got it in the 0XL, which is equivalent to a size 12, because I do have a lot of space in the back. So I will say the overall look of these jeans is really nice. The feel of them is really nice. The material has like a nice medium thickness to it. It does have some stretch to it as well. I really like the way they look. I just wish I had them in one size smaller, but I do definitely recommend these jeans. I will definitely be trying out some more jeans from this line because I love these. The last pair of jeans I have to show you are these flared jeans, which are absolutely adorable. The material is stretchy. These do have like a light to medium thickness to them. I would definitely have to wear these with heels because they are a little bit long on me, but they are so cute. They do have belt hoops as well, so if you've been wanting to try out this style of flare jean, this is the perfect time to try it. Super cute, and I love the way it looks. And the very last item I have to show you, which looks a little bit crazy right now because I have it over this outfit, but it's a beach cover-up. I love it. It's the perfect length. I love the sleeve length. Like, as you can see, it goes down to there. I love how long it goes down. It goes past my knees, and it also has this little slit at the side. So if you like to wear swimsuits but you like to be covered up at the same time, this is perfect. So I'm really, really happy with this. As you can see, like, you can see a little bit through there. So yeah, if you're looking for a really cute, simple beach cover-up, this one is perfect. So that pretty much wraps up my SHEIN haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to use my coupon code. Don't forget, everything is listed down below in my description box. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.